Hey guys, Andrew King here from ProfitName.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are checking out ProfitName. Now, ProfitName is a brand new cloud-based system that will allow you to start your own domain and hosting reseller business. Now, let me show you an example on what do I mean by this. Now, using the software, you'll be able to start a website that looks just like this. And once visitors come to your website, they go to, for example, the domain search tool and they search up a domain. So let's just type in something random, for example, and if they go ahead and scroll down and choose to buy one of these domains, they click on the buy button, they are going to be redirected through your affiliate link to, for example, Name Silo or any other domain selling platform, and if they buy, you get a commission as an affiliate. So you can start getting sales automatically using the Done For You platform, and you can set this up for the domain and for the hosting very quickly. So I'm going to show you how you can do that in just a minute, but before we do that, there's going to be a link down below in the description that will allow you to grab ProfitName through my link. Now, if you do that, you are going to get my VIP bonuses. I'm just going to go through them very quickly. So the VIP bonus number 1 is going to be the AI loophole front end plus all the 7 upsells, which are currently selling at $962 if you chose to grab the front end plus all the one-time offers combined. So this is some real value that I'm giving away on the front end, which is going to cost you less than $20, and I honestly shouldn't give this away on the front end, but I decided to do that for a very limited time. So make sure to grab ProfitName through me to get access to this very valuable bonus. Now, it doesn't stop there. I also give you access to GPT ebook pack plus the OTOS number 1 and 2. And if you chose to grab this, it will have cost you $101. And this is actually over $1,000 just between the front end and just between the VIP bonus number 1 and the bonus number 2. So it's a very valuable and juicy bonus offer for you guys to grab ProfitName through me. I also give you access to GPT Voicer, the front end, again selling at $67, as well as the AI lead gen front end plus the pro version selling at $197. Now, all of these bonuses will be available when you grab ProfitName through my link, which is going to be the first link down below in the description. Now, without any further ado, let's jump into the software and let me show you how you can set this up. So as you can see here, I'm inside the dashboard at the administrator section, and as you can see that we have a bunch of details, the total TLDs, we have the number of total TLDs here. You can also manage them by clicking on the blue manage button. The active TLDs stands for domains. So we also have the total amount of domains and the total amount of pages. So this is what you're gonna be able to preview on the dashboard. We also have the support section. So if you click here, you can contact the support for ProfitName if you have any issues with the software. And once you do that, you can basically leave a support ticket and they will respond to you within 24 to 48 hours. We also have the training that will showcase how you can basically use ProfitName and start building your own domain and hosting reseller business. They have everything here. So they have all training modules, over 9 different training modules showing you how you can basically set up the front end, which is the sales page basically that your visitors will come through. They will also show you how to set up the back end in TLDs, as well as the TLD settings, how to add the pages, how to find a domain with a profit domain, how to add your affiliate links. They also have a different FAQs, so frequently asked questions, as well as how to integrate this with Name Silo. So they're going to show you step by step how you can integrate this with Name Silo as well. It's a very simple process, it will take you literally maybe an hour to basically get this up and running. Now, once you're done watching the training modules, you can start implementing what you learned. And if we go here to the options, if I go to the general section, as you can see here, you'll be able to see that you can start modifying everything from the logos. So you can change the logos here. You just click on choose file and upload it from your laptop. You can change the favicon, which is the icon that shows up right here on the top of the tab, this one right here. You can also change the website name right here. It will show at the footer. So this is the website name. You can basically customize this however you like. You can add your own hosting affiliate link, which they show you inside the training. Inside the 4 steps, they show you how you can grab your name silo affiliate link and how you can add it. And they also show you the footer attribution. So they show you how you can basically add the footer, which is very, very simple. So the footer is this one right here that shows up at the bottom of your website. So let's just go back to the website. This is the footer right here. So you can customize it from within the footer attribution. And you can also add custom HTML. So if you are planning to run Facebook ads or Google ads, you can add the different pixels. You can add the pixels for tracking. You can add pop-ups to collect emails. You can go crazy with the custom HTML feature, so you can add your own HTML tag and basically customize this however you like. Now, once you're done, you just click on submit and the changes will be automatically affected on your website. The second part of the options is going to be the SEO settings. Now, this will allow you to basically rank on Google, although this is on-page SEO. So it affects your rankings, but not by much, because nowadays everyone has a lot of backlinks and it's going to be not difficult, but it will take some work in order for you to be able to rank your website on Google. But though you have to apply off-page SEO techniques, you also need your website to be properly optimized. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and change the title for your website. You can change the description. So this is for the domain search. So the domain search area, you can change the title, you can change the description. Same thing goes for the who is information, the domain generator information, and so on and so forth. So you can customize different parts. You can also add your SEO image, and once you're done, you just click on submit, and that's basically it. So this is regarding your back end. You have to set this up before you get started in order for you to basically optimize your website for search engines, and in order for it to be able to get indexed and be found on different search engines such as Google and Bing. Now, once you're done with that, you can go to the tools section. In here, you can enable different parts of your website. So you can enable the domain research tool, which will allow people to basically search up different domains. So this is the domain research tool. You can click on the or you can check this button right here. You can check this toggle, and if you check it, it will show on your website. If you uncheck it, it will disable. Same thing goes for all of these, such as the domain tool generator, the who is domain, the reverse IP lookup, the domain location, and the DNS lookup. You can also use your own custom IP solver, and if you enable this, you have to add the different parameters such as the API URL, the API reverse mode, and so on and so forth. So they also show you everything in the training, how you can basically set this up. If you want to, I'm just gonna turn it off for now, and once you're done, you just click on submit and the changes will be affected. So if I want to disable this one, I just click on disable and disable the second one, click on submit. If I go back to my website and refresh, it will no longer be available. As you can see, they disappeared from the top bar. Now, if I enable them back on, let me just close this one. If I enable these two back on, they will be available if I click on submit. if I refresh the website here, you can see that they are back. So we have the domain search and the domain generator back at the top bar, and they are available for use. So this is basically what you get. You can also add different ad spots. So here is the cool part. If you want to add different AdSense banners or any ad platform, you can go ahead and enable the ad header spots. So if you enable this one, you can add your header ad code right here. So you can basically copy and paste your ads in here, and they will show on your website, and you can earn money by just sending visitors to your website. So people don't have to buy anything. So you can profit from two different monetization streams. You can profit from the affiliate program of Name Silo, and you can profit from the ads that show on your website, which is actually something very, very cool. You can also enable the pop-up ad right here. I don't recommend you to do that because people don't really like pop-ups, but you can basically do that. They give you the option to do that if you want to do that. And they also mentioned that ad blocker software may prevent from using this page properly. So they have to disable ad block, or you have to disable ad blocker in order for you to use this page properly. Now, once you're done, you just click on submit, and your ads will be automatically shown and updated on the website automatically. Next part is going to be additional assets, and here you can add different CSS, custom CSS, custom JavaScripts on your website, and so on and so forth. So you can even add your Google Analytics ID, which will allow you to track the traffic that is coming to your website, which I think is something very, very useful. So if you are running ads, this is going to be very useful to check the analytics and study the data. So you can do that. They give you the ability to do this. You can also add your contact settings right here, which will include your contact email, your email sending type. So you can send from default PHP mail, or you can send from your default SMTP. So you can add your SMTP settings right here, such as the host, the port, the username, and the password, as well as the SendGrid API. So if you want to send emails using SendGrid, you can do that. Now, once you're done, you just click on submit, and it will be automatically updated. Same thing goes for the API keys. Now you can add your own reCAPTCHA site, so you can eliminate a lot of bot traffic. You can add the exchange rate API. So they give you the option to add exchange rate, which will allow you to basically set the currency converter. So if people come from different countries, it will automatically change the currency based on their IP, which is something very, very cool. You don't have to do this, but if you want, they give you the option to do that. The next option is going to be the currency settings, and here you can add different currencies, but like I mentioned before, you have to add your exchange rate API first in order for you to be able to set automatic currency converters based on your traffic's IP. And that's basically for the currency settings. The next part is going to be the features and FAQ, and this will allow you to add different features and FAQ as well. So you click on add, and you'll be able to add the feature name and the description. You can also add an image right here, and once you're done, you just click on add, and it will be automatically added. Now you can also hide it, or you can show it to get more details. You can move it up by clicking on the move up button, and you can move it down by clicking on the move down, and you can also delete it. So they give you all sorts of features to easily customize the features and the frequently asked questions. They also have the headers and footers links, so you can add those as well, and it works by the same process. So you can add different items, and you can add their description as well. It goes similar for the TLD settings, and this is basically your TLD settings. You can add it or show recent search pages on the header or the footer, so you can choose whether you want to show that on the header or footer. You can click on none to show on none of those options, or you can click on both to show on both options. I'm just gonna leave it at footer, and you can also show the maximum number of TLDs to show on the homepage search. Now TLD, like I previously mentioned, is basically domain, and you can show how many TLDs or how the domain, what do you call it? For example, .com or .co or whatever. This is the TLD. This is the prefix for the domain. So once you add here the number, so for example, if you choose 15, this is going to be the maximum amount. You can choose 10, you can choose 5, whatever you want basically. Now here you can change the global affiliate link for your TLD. So they show you an example here. So this is going to be the example, and you can basically change it based on the location. They also show you in the training how you can do that. So check out the training to see how you can add your affiliate link when it comes to global traffic. They also have the query for WHOIS server. So you have to add your WHOIS server and the domain to test, and you click on submit, and it will automatically be updated on your website. You can manage TLDs. So these are the different domains. You can set up their pricing, and you can also add them one by one. So this is actually really cool. You can click on edit, for example, for the .com one. You can scroll down, you can add your own affiliate link for this specific domain, and you can change the price for it. Basically, you can set up the price based on the name silo default prices. So for example, if it's selling for $12 on name silo, you just update it and you click on submit, and it will be automatically updated on your website. So if I go back to manage TLDs, you can see that it's updated. And if I go back to my website and I search up any random domain, for example, you can see that it's updated at $12 for the .com domains. And you can do this for the rest of the TLDs and so on and so forth. You can choose it as your main. You can change any one of these as your main domain. So if you want the .org to be your main domain, you just check this. And if I refresh here, you can see that if I click on generate, you can see that my main domain is, let me just refresh first. Let me just type something in, and you can see that .org is gonna become my main domain. It's not updating for some reason. Let me just refresh. Suggested, yeah, let's just check suggested, and then let me just refresh, and it should update. It should update. I'm not sure why it's not updating, but basically you can choose it as your main domain here. So if I go back to the .net, and let me just remove these, and let me just refresh, click something, type in something here, and you can see that .net is suggested. I'm not sure why it's not showing as our main suggested domain, but anyways, you can basically customize these however you like. Maybe it takes some time in order for it to update. Next thing is going to be the active TLDs order. So you can check the different TLDs order, and you can basically customize them however you like. The domain generator, the WHOIS suggestions, the pages. Here you can customize all your website pages. You can add the privacy policy, the contact us, the terms and conditions, and so on and so forth. You can generate the sitemap, and you can destroy the cache, so you can easily remove the cache and make your website very, very snappy. Now, when it comes to authentication, here you can see the different accounts or your main account. This is going to be your main account with the role. We have the create the account, which will allow you to basically create accounts for different a website or different administrators. So you can add an administrator to your specific platform, and here you'll be able to preview all the accounts that were created. So this is regarding the ProfitName software. So this is everything you are going to get inside of the front end. Let me quickly go through the price and upsell details. So everything you just saw is going to be available at $17, but you can get it at $15. All you have to do is, once you go through the sales page, you just try the exit pop-up. So you go and try to exit the page, and it will give you a discount, a $2 discount. You'll be able to get it for just $15. Let me just look for a coupon here. I believe they have a coupon. So this is the JV information. Here we go. So you can use this coupon to get $5 off. Now I earn less as an affiliate, plus I'm giving you the VIP bonuses. So I would appreciate if you grab this through me. You are getting an insane deal. Plus I'm showing you some hacks to save some money. You can save upwards of $5 on the front end, not just $2, but $5, and you'll be able to get it for $12. The front end at $12 from my link. Plus you get bonuses worth over $1,200 in real-time value. So I would appreciate if you leave a thumbs up on this video if you found this helpful. Now this is regarding the front end, and there are a couple of upsells, and the first one is going to be the pro version. The pro version is going to be at $36.93, and honestly you don't have to grab this. So let me just go to the pro version very quickly. So let me just visit the pro sales page, and I'm going to show you a hack. If you want to grab this, I'm going to show you how to save $10 and get it for $26.93 rather than $36.93. So once you grab the front end, you're going to be redirected to the pro page, and all you have to do is scroll down to the bottom and click on where it says no thanks. So you're going to find the red link here that says no thanks, I don't want to take advantage of this special offer. Click on that. It's going to open up a brand new tab with the pro discounted version. So you'll be able to get it for $26.93 and save yourself $10. Now what do you get at the pro version? You get unlimited everything. That means you can add unlimited domains, you can have unlimited pages, you can have unlimited SMTPs, you can have the built-in Photoshop killer dashboard. You get a lot of features, and everything is basically unlimited. So you get the same features at the front end, but with unlimited and no restrictions whatsoever. Again, grab it at the down sale price, and I make less as an affiliate by sharing this information. So I would really appreciate it if you leave a thumbs up and leave a positive comment on this specific video. Now after you grab that, you are going to be redirected to the upsell number 2. Let me just go to the sales page of that specific one-time offer, which is going to be the enterprise version. Now the enterprise version is going to be available at $36.93, and inside the enterprise version you will get done for you ProfitName store. So they will create the store for you, and they will basically deliver the deluxe built-in traffic features, full auto backup file encryption, premium collaboration features and outsourcers license, in-depth training, and one-on-one support. So if you want access to this one, again, don't grab it for $36.93. Use the discounted method and get it for $26.93, which is an absolute no-brainer. Just go and scroll down to the bottom like you previously did with the previous offer, and you click on no thanks, and it will give you the discounted offer for $10 cheaper. So you can basically, I believe you can basically apply this on all the funnel, which is absolutely insane. So you can get like $10 or $20 off at each and every one of these offers. Now the next one is going to be the reseller, and as the name suggests, you are going to be able to resell the whole ProfitName funnel and keep 100% commissions throughout the funnel, because a normal affiliate will get 50% commissions. But if you grab this upgrade, which is a one-time fee of $197, if you use the hack, it's going to be 97, and you'll be able to save $100, which is absolutely insane. I highly recommend you to do that. Why wouldn't you? You'll be able to save $100. But if you are interested in this one, you can grab this for $97 and you get to resell the ProfitName funnel and keep 100% of the profits to yourself. The last upsell is going to be the IM Max version, and this will give you access to their recent bestseller, their email marketing system software, the free white label to sell the software as your own, one-on-one coaching sessions, video marketing softwares, outsourcing training on how to run a carefree business. So all of these is going to be available at the IM Max, which is going to be at $97, and there is a down sale for that at $67. You'll be able to save yourself $30. So this is regarding the ProfitName software. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them down below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.